Hello children, welcome to the Elementary English Grammar and Composition Class 4. In this video, we will study about adjectives, degrees of comparison, unit number 14. Dear children, we already have studied about the adjective. Okay, now here we will study what is degrees of comparison. An adjective of quality changes its form when it is used to compare one noun with another, and it is called the degree of comparison of an adjective. There are three types of degrees of comparison. First is the positive degree, second is the comparative degree, and third is the superlative degree. Now let's understand these three degrees of comparison. First is the positive degree. It is used to refer to one object, person or place without making any comparison. For example, have a look in your textbook. Number 1, Ashok is a strong boy. Okay. Here in this first sentence, when we say Ashok is a strong boy, we do not compare him with any other boy. We simply say that Ashok is strong. Now second sentence, Bali is stronger than Ashok. Okay, when we say Bali is stronger than Ashok, we compare two boys, Ashok and Bali, and say that one is stronger than other. This is the comparative degree, and it refers to a greater degree of adjective as compared to the positive degree, and it is used to compare two objects, people or places. Now number 3, Anil is the strongest of the three. When we say Anil is the strongest of the three, we compare Ashok, Bali and Anil and say that Anil is the strongest of the three boys. This is the superlative degree, and it refers to the greatest degree of adjective, and it is used to compare more than two objects, people or places. Thus, we see that adjectives change in form: strong, stronger, strongest. Here you can see strong, stronger and strongest. To show comparison. In other words, they have three degrees of comparison. The adjective strong is said to be in the positive degree. It simply denotes the existence of some quality in the thing or person we speak about. It is used when no comparison is made. The adjective stronger is said to be in the comparative degree. It denotes a higher degree of the quality than the positive. It is used when two objects are compared. The adjective strongest is said to be in the superlative degree. It denotes the highest degree of the quality. It is used when more than two objects are compared. Now on page number 76. Formation of comparative and superlative B. Here we add ER or means and EST to most one or two syllable words that ends in consonants. The following adjectives form the comparative by adding ER and the superlative by adding EST to the positive. Now see here, positive degrees, comparative and superlative. Let's read these words. Thick in positive form, In comparative, it is called thicker, and in superlative, thickest. Tall, taller, tallest. Kind, kinder, kindest. Young, younger, youngest. Sweet, sweeter, sweetest. Short, shorter, shortest. Now see, when the positive ends in E, we add only R and ST to the objective. See here, if the positive ends in E, only R and ST are added to the form the comparative and the superlative. Have a look here, positive, comparative and superlative. Now see, positive ends in E, brave, okay, it's end in E. So in comparative degree, we add R, only R. And in superlative degree, we add only ST. Now see, white, whiter, whitest. Large, larger, largest. Wise, wiser, wisest. Fine, finer, finest. Noble, nobler, noblest. Now here, when the positive ends in consonant Y, we drop the Y and add IER and IEST. Have a look here. If the positive ends in Y and the Y is preceded by a consonant, then Y is changed into I before adding ER and EST. But if the Y is preceded by a vowel, then Y is not changed into I. Happy, happier, happiest. Marry, merrier, merriest. Lazy, lazier, laziest. Heavy, heavier, heaviest. Now see here, Y is changed into I and add ER. Here also I and EST. In marry, Y is changed into I and added ER. Here also I and added EST. Y, here change in I and added ER. Change in I and added EST. Here also Y is change in I and added ER. Here also Y change in I and added EST. But gay, gayer, gayest. Here we have not changed Y because preceded letter is vowel. So we add only ER and EST. See here, ER, EST. Grey, E is vowel, so it is added ER in comparative degree and EST in superlative degree. Now on page number 77, E. When the positive is a word of one syllable that ends in vowel plus consonant, we double the ending consonant and then add ER and EST. If the positive degree has only one syllable and ends in one consonant and the consonant is preceded by a short vowel, this consonant is doubled before ER and EST. Have a look here. Positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. FAT, fat. Okay, here we double letter T and added ER. So word is fatter. And in superlative degree it will be fattest. Double and added EST. Like that, hot, hotter, hottest. Big, bigger, biggest. Sad, sadder, sadder. यहाँ पर हमने जो लास्ट लेटर है ना उनको डबल किया है और कंपेरेटिव में ई आर ऐड किया है एंड सुपरलेटिव में ई एस टी ऐड किया है. नाउ एफ. व्हेन द पॉजिटिव इज लॉन्ग इट मीन्स इज अ वर्ड ऑफ 2 or more syllables. We add more, more and most, most before the adjective to form comparative and superlative degrees. See here, many adjectives of 2 syllables and all adjectives of more than 2 syllables take more before them to form the comparative and most to form the superlative. Have a look here. Faithful, more faithful, most faithful. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Industrious, more industrious, most industrious. Courageous, more courageous, most courageous. Now G. There are some adjectives that do not form the comparatives and superlatives from their positives. They have irregular degrees of comparison. Have a look here. The following adjectives are compared irregularly. Good और उसका comparative होता है better, superlative best. Bad, worse, worst. Little, less, least. Much, more, most. Old, older or elder, oldest, eldest. H. We use THA and then with a comparative degree and use THE the with a superlative degree. Mark the use of older and elder, oldest and eldest. He is older than I am. He is the oldest boy in the class. Hari is my elder brother. Satish is my eldest son. I. THA and then is used after the comparative degree. THE the is used before the superlative degree. This pencil is better than that. This is the best of the 3 pencils. J. Do not use the double comparative and superlative such as more better and most loveliest. See the incorrect sentence. Bali is more stronger than Hari. Correct one is Bali is stronger than Hari. Now incorrect sentence. He is the most oldest man in the village. But correct one is he is the oldest man in the village. So dear children, you have to learn the degrees of comparison to the adjectives. Thank you and have a nice day.